Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, an agricultural class harvested 18 potatoes from the school garden and compiled the weights of the potatoes in the table above. If the 2 ounce measurement is removed from the data, which of the following statistical measures of the values listed would change the least? So we're asked which out of the mean, median, range, and total would change the least. So what we have to recognize here is that the range will change, the total will change, and the mean is almost certainly going to change, but the median might not. So what we're going to do is, instead of calculating all of them, we're going to look at the median. And if the change in the median is 0, then we know that it has to be changing the least, because you can't change less than 0. Why is the range changing the same? Because the 2 ounce measurement is the lowest one. So when we remove it, we now have a new range of 9 to 3 instead of 9 to 2. The total is changing because you're losing one of the measurements, so the total of all the measurements is going to be 2 lower. So we know it's not C and it's not D. It might be A, but first we have to check B because it's a lot easier. So we have to these are listed in increasing order, so we can go and cross them off from both sides, closing in on a middle value. And we just do this. It's a little complicated because we are on 2 different lines. What we see here is that we are between this value and this value. They're both 6, but the way you do this when you narrow it down to 2 values for the median is you take the average of them. 6 plus 6 over 2 is 12 over 2, which is just 6. And we can take the median of the new list, so get rid of 2. And then I'll mark them off by crossing the other way. So going again from both ends. And what we will see is that we are left with just 1/6 this time, and so that is our median. And so 6 and 6, the median does not change, therefore it has to be changing the least, and B is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.